Hey there, students! If you're tired of lugging around that bulky graphing calculator, I've got some exciting news for you. Today we're diving into the top graphing calculator app for Android users. First up, we have Desmos. It's completely free and offers a super user-friendly interface. You can plot multiple functions, find intersections, and even visualize derivatives. It's perfect for algebra, calculus, and trigonometry. And the best part? You can save your work and come back to it anytime. Next, let's talk about GeoGebra. This app is like a Swiss Army knife for math. You can plot graphs, solve equations, and even create 3D graphs. One cool feature is the augmented reality mode, which makes learning math seriously fun. Plus, GeoGebra is also free, so no need to worry about breaking the bank. Our third pick is Wolfram Alpha. While it's not free, it's a powerhouse for solving complex math problems. You can input equations and get step-by-step solutions, which is fantastic for studying. Wolfram Alpha is like having a personal math tutor in your pocket. Last but not least, there's Graphing Calculator Plus. This app is paid, but it's worth every penny. It offers a complete suite of graphing tools and supports both 2D and 3D graphing. The app is designed to be intuitive, making it easy to pick up and start using right away. So there you have it. 4 amazing graphing calculator apps that'll make your math homework a breeze. Say goodbye to that clunky old calculator and hello to the future of graphing on your Android device. Happy calculating! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more student hacks and study tips. See you next time.